Good morning, Gavin Knox here from Knox Scientific Hydrogen Fuel Systems Proprietary Limited in Perth, Western Australia. Here we have an updated version of the Generation 20 system. I've now enclosed the power supply, the constant current pulse width modulated power supply, inside an aluminium or a die-cast aluminium box which is mounted on top of the unit. It is a much more efficient system because it actually dissipates heat much more efficiently. Not that there's much heat to produce anyway. You can see the gas production here. This is quite awesome. As I said before, it's quite capable of running a truck, or very capable of running large cars. The system is ideal for vehicles up to greater than 10 litres anyway. Currently running at 20 amps and 11.5 volts. As you increase the voltage and again increase the currents, the gas production will further increase. But again, the gas production from this is quite enormous. You wouldn't really want much more than this. The ideal gas volume to produce is 12.5% of your engine capacity measured in litres per minute. Now the power supply, as we say here, is a die-cast aluminium box which is securely mounted onto the top of this system here with stainless steel brackets. We have a flushing out tap on the side so as to clean out any water and remnants after a period of 3 to 6 months of operation. A very efficient system, professionally made by a company called Brown's Industries in Ingleburn, Sydney, Australia. Brown's Industries is one of the leading private industrialists in Australia, producing many items for things such as the A380 motor for Boeing and for some of the US military as well. What else can I say? The unit right now is currently running at 22 amps. The water is placed inside this container here. You can't see it bubbling now. Well, you can't see it bubbling. You can see it bubbling. It's a rockable, so you can close the lid to seal the unit in. This unit can also be used to run a oxyacetylene torch or hydrogen acetylene torch, which I've used on numerous occasions to actually produce enough gas to cut stainless steel. The temperature for that is several thousand degrees Celsius, and it's a very efficient gas producer. Okay, I can be contacted through my email at glknox, that's G for Golf, L for Lima, KNOX at optusnet.com.au, that's optusnet.com.au, or glknox, GLKNOX at dodo.com.au. My webpage is http://www.hydrogenfuelsystems.com.au, and my contact phone number is 040 317 7183. Hope you're having a great time, especially leading up to Christmas, and everything goes well for you. Best wishes to yourself and your family for the Christmas period. Have a great day. I'll speak to you soon. Bye.